If you've ever been to an izakaya, which is kind of like a Japanese pub, you would have had lovely grilled skewers, and you may have had a side dish called Yamitsuki. Yamatsuki is a cabbage side dish and it is absolutely addictive. What makes it so addictive is the dressing, so let's get onto that. In a bowl, I'll add a clove of garlic, so fresh garlic minced. To that, some sugar, and some sesame oil, a good amount of sesame oil, and we need some vinegar, so some rice vinegar. And this is where the umami comes in, because as we know, cabbage can be quite bland, so you need something to lift it. And by adding a little bit of vegetable stock powder, it elevates it and gives it that umami flavour, that savoury flavour that makes this quite special. So about half a teaspoon goes in. And we're going to whisk that. And it doesn't look like a lot of dressing, but it does pack a punch. So in with our cabbage, I'm just using some white cabbage. You could also use a Chinese cabbage for this too. We'll just cut a big chunk off and we'll just separate the leaves. And I'm going to cut them into the little squares, which is how they serve it when you go to an izakaya. So big chunks here. Okay, now we're going to add this to our dressing, and this is enough as a side for 2 to 4 people, and then we'll grab a spoon and a fork and give that a really good mix. In fact, because cabbage needs to be worked just to soften, what I like to do is just get my hands and massage it into that lovely umami style dressing, and you'll see automatically it softens. So give that a toss. We'll grab a bowl and we'll just pile up this lovely cabbage salad that takes no time at all to make and is a fantastic addition to any type of barbecue meat. Even barbecue fish would be great with this. The final touch that I like to add are some toasted sesame seeds. So a sprinkle of sesame seeds over the top. Very simple ingredients, and most of these ingredients you'll probably have in your pantry. And stock powder, super versatile. Yes, you can make stock out of it, but just adding a little bit of that gives it that wonderful punch of savouriness that you want with just a simple vegetable like cabbage.